The first advent of Buddhism in Bhutan. The some men of Bhutan are known to be Monkatra. It was long time back, before the birth of Buddha Shakyamuni. The Monkatra are said to become the true follower of Ishigempo Mahakala. Ishigempo was the disciple of Buddha Kashyapa. Earlier, Ishigempo was a powerful heretic spirit who dwelled in the eastern Himalayan region and often brings harm to the lives of the people. Later, he was influenced by Sangyu Yusung or Buddha Kasyapa, also known as Thousand Buddhas. Buddha Kasyapa converted Mahakala to the doctrine Dharma, so he became the guardian deity of Bhutan. However, Bonism religion was the main religion practiced in Bhutan by the early inhabitants. Bonism was actually stemmed from the Rigvedic practice of the Indo-Aryan before the advent of Buddhism. Bonism became much more popular in the Himalayan region. Moreover, every civilization in the world have worshipped nature and its different elements, although different names were given to the same practice in different countries. Animal sacrifices were the major worship for Bon religion. The people of Bhutan to worship deities in the form of different elements of nature such as the mountain, lakes, river, trees and rock. There are chances of few who believe Bon religion could be much superior. However, belief in the early history was passed down from one generation, and today we considered Bon religion one as outdated due to the existence of new religion. The first advent of Buddhism. Lord Buddha had said to his disciple about his flourishment in the land of the Monpas in the following areas: eastern parts of Himalayan region, in the south of Tibet, and some 100 miles north of Bodh Gaya. Buddha's prophecy came true since Buddhism became the main religion to Bhutan, which falls under the parts of eastern Himalaya. It was during the reign of Emperor Ashoka, the most famous Mauryan king of India from 273 to 232 BC. For several hundred years, Buddhism spread to all Indian subcontinent, excluding China, Japan. Bhutan had been said to be close to the Mauryan Empire of Magadha from 322 to 185 BC. The first major empire in the history of India. Bhutan being a Buddhist country during Magadha Empire and due to its favorable weather conditions, mediator of Buddhist sagas, pilgrims, Buddhist saints from different countries visited Bhutan during the time of King Ashoka. Many historians believe that the advent of Buddhism in Bhutan is only with the arrival of Guru Padmasambhava during the 8th century AD. However, Buddhism in the countries date back to 5th century AD and perhaps even earlier. It was true that the doctrine of Lord Buddha reached to the soil of Bhutan before Buddha reached to Tibet. Arrival of Guru Rinpoche is another history of flourishment of Buddhism in a small country called Bhutan. Guru Rinpoche routed his way from Kurde and Tashyangtse Valley, then towards east to Ha and Paro in the western region. So Buddhism prevailed in the country would be some form of Hinayana. Hinayana means the lesser Vagal traditions, or often known as Theravada traditions. Theravada tradition is in contrast to the Mahayana, the greater. Why Bhutan is known as the Buddhist country in the early period? Due to the Buddhist monk called Dönpa, also known as Tonpa. Once he was a royal preceptor of Kamrup Kingdom, present-day Assam. Later he accompanied Princess of Kamrup to Kashmir to get married with Prince of Mahabahana. It's in Kashmir. It was during 5th century AD. Upon reaching Kashmir, he built a Buddhist stupa. Local people named Stonpa. Remains of the Chaitans are believed to exist even today in Kashmir. Similar record proves that Buddhism existed by 5th century AD. It was in 433 AD. An Indian scholar named Buddha Raksita Thosemtho went to Tibet following Kurichu Valley. He was the first Indian Buddhist to spread doctrine in Tibet before Guru Rinpoche. He had less success story of spreading Buddhism unlike Bonism, since Bon religion is most prominent throughout Tibet. During that time, Thato Thori Nyingchen was the king of Tibet. Buddha Raksita was accompanied by Buddhist translator, guide named Li Tha Si.